All right, guys, so we got another power tool by SEESII. This is going to be a combo, so you're going to get a drill and you're getting an impact with this one. And this comes in right around $100. This is a brushless tool. I really think you DIYers are going to like this one, so let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so as you guys can see, it comes in a nice hard case. And then that is what the kit's going to look like. So you got your drill, 1/4 inch impact, 2 batteries, you got your charger, and then you get some accessories over here. So with the accessories, you're going to get some drill bits, some impact bits, and then you also get some nut setters. Now, like I said earlier, all of this right around $100. On sale, you can actually pick this up under $100. But at that price point, if this doesn't perform, then it doesn't matter. So let's go ahead, take a closer look at it, and then we'll go ahead and test it out. Here's the impact. As you guys can see, nice and small. I think this comes in right around 2 pounds. Overall length is right at 5 inches. Yeah, so we got actually a little bit less than 5 inches on this. Both the drill and the 1/4 inch impact are brushless. Go ahead and pop a battery in here. Now the batteries do only go in one way. It does have a battery indicator light right there on the side, tell you the charge of your battery. Got an LED light on the front, kind of like the old style Milwaukee M12s. Right on the top, it does have 3 modes. And then just for comparison, I do got the Milwaukee M12 fuel. This is the newer version, the 3453. So this does have a CP 3.0 amp hour battery in it. So that's what they look like side by side. So pretty comparable. Actually, it looks like the SEESII comes in a little bit shorter than the Milwaukee fuel. The SEESII is a little bit taller, but overall pretty comparable to the Milwaukee. Go ahead and take a look at the drill. Now this is just your standard drill, not a hammer drill. As you can see, nice and compact. Feels pretty good in the hand. You do got 2 modes on the top, and then the clutch is adjustable from 1 to 21. Also has the battery indicator there on the side. Now, like I said earlier, this does come with 2 batteries, and it does come with the wall charger. It does have this barrel adapter on the end, and when you plug these in, it does have an LED indicator on the bottom that's going to let you know the charge of the battery. So when it's red, it needs to be charged, and then green is fully charged. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the performance. So I got the 1/4 inch impact driver, and then I got this on mode 3, full battery, 3.5 inch screw. We got 4x4 pressure treated lumber here. Let me show you guys. No holes. Don't see any holes. Nothing pre-drilled. And we'll see how this performs. So there you go. Not bad. Now it's actually pretty fast, so we'll go ahead and do another one. And it's pretty fast. Not bad. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to compare it. I wasn't planning on doing this, but I'm going to compare it to the Milwaukee Fuel M12. Like I said, this is the 3453. So we'll grab another Phillips bit. Oh, and I did want to mention that this doesn't have the quick collar on it. You do got to pull this forward to drop this in, and then it locks into place. Unlike the Milwaukee just dropped that right in there. All right, guys, so I want to go ahead and compare the SEESII to the Milwaukee Fuel. Went ahead and threw on some DeWalt bits because they're just a little bit shorter. This is got a CP 3.0 amp hour battery, mode 3, fully charged. SEESII mode 3, fully charged. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, so as you guys can see, the Milwaukee did beat it out. Not by a whole lot, though. I'll go ahead and do this test again. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, so you guys see there, The Milwaukee was a little bit faster, but not by much. So pretty impressed with the CC 1/4 inch impact. All right, guys, so we'll go ahead and test out the drill, fully charged battery. This is just a scrap 2x10, and then we got one of the wood bits that were provided with the kit. We're just gonna run some holes in here, see how well it does. So as you can see, that was on speed 2. Go ahead, speed 1. There's speed 1, speed 2, and then we'll go ahead and switch this out. I got a 5/8 spade bit. Let's just see how well it does with this. We got it on speed 2. Alright, so not bad. Alright guys, so what do you think about this compact combo kit by SEESII? I'm actually pretty impressed. Performed really well, a lot better than I thought it was going to perform. I like how it's small, pretty comparable to the M12 fuel in size and weight. Performance, it's a little behind it, but what do you expect? You're paying half the price. You can get this kit for right around $100 regular price. And then when this goes on sale, it's actually under $100 for the drill, 1/4 inch impact, 2 batteries, the hard case, and the charger. Now, one thing I did want to mention, I don't know how hard it is going to be to get extra batteries. I did do a quick search on like Amazon, and I couldn't find where they're just selling extra batteries. So that might be a downfall. Another minor thing I didn't like about this was it didn't have belt clips on here, kind of like your other power tool brands. Not a huge deal, but it is something that I wanted to mention. But overall, I think this would be an affordable option for you DIYers. Like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys got any comments or questions, go ahead and put those down below. Also, I'll do my best to answer them. Hopefully you guys found some value in the video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Till the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.